The Premier League has unveiled a groundbreaking £6.7 billion TV rights deal, shaping the landscape from the 2025-26 season. Sky Sports secures live rights for 50, 66, 44, and 58 matches in packages B, C, D, and E, ensuring a minimum of 215 live games per season. All matches outside the Saturday 3 p.m. blackout, even those moved due to European competitions, will now be broadcast live. TNT Sports, formerly BT Sport, clinches exclusive rights for 52 matches per season in Package A, covering Saturdays at 12:30 p.m. and 2 midweek rounds. BBC Sport retains highlights rights for all 380 matches, with additional digital rights. Notably, Amazon Prime Video loses its rights for the new domestic cycle until the 2028-29 season. The deal, valued at $6.7 billion, aims to provide financial stability to clubs until 2029, with Sky Sports and TNT Sports driving increased live coverage. All matches outside the Saturday 3 p.m. blackout will be live. Exclusive broadcasting by Sky Sports and TNT Sports, replacing Amazon Prime Video. £6.7 billion financial injection for clubs until 2029.
The Sound of Sports app is a mix of upbeat, energetic tracks that are perfect for getting pumped up for all sports, games, or workouts. The music plays in the background as you browse through the app website, with options to customize a playlist or choose from pre-made ones based on your favorite sports or music genres. The sports website app also offers a variety of sports analysis and commentary, providing in-depth analysis and insights into your favorite teams and players.
It was raining at that night cafe when I watched my dreams all fade away. Oh, don't tell me how the story ends, 'cause I'm sitting here crying in my hands. You're a million miles away, and you're playing every day. So come on, so come on, so come on. He's a midnight gambler on the highway of fools. Why you breaking my heart, boy? Why you breaking the rules? He's a midnight gambler on the highway of fools. Diamonds are forever, but your heart is too cool. Oh, you're breaking down my paradise at the fire, baby. I feel life, and until it's end, there is no end. And I'm sitting here crying in my hand. You're a million miles away. Come on, baby, make my day. So come on, so come on, so come on. He's a midnight gambler on the highway of fools. Why you breaking my heart, boy? Why you breaking the rules? He's a midnight gambler on the highway of fools. Diamonds are forever, but your heart is too cool. Come on, from the highway of fools. Come on, we are breaking the rules. Come on, let's stay together.
The coolest station online.
Yeah, that's us.
'Cause we play
This.
the
Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness. I just wanted you to know that baby, you're the best. I got my red dress on tonight, dancing in the dark in the pale moonlight. Done my hair up real big, beauty queen style. High heels off, I'm feeling alive. Oh my God, I feel it in the air, telephone wires above, all sizzling like a snare. Honey, I'm fine, I feel it everywhere. Nothing scares me anymore. Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness. I just wanted you to know that baby, you're the best. I got that summertime, summertime sadness. That's that summertime, summertime sadness. Got that summertime, summertime sadness. Oh, I'm feeling electric tonight. Cruising down the coast, going about 99. Got my bad baby by my heavenly side. I know if I go, I'll die happy tonight. Oh my God, I feel it in the air, telephone wires above, all sizzling like a snare. Honey, I'm fine, I feel it everywhere. Nothing scares me anymore. Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness. I just wanted you to know that baby, you're the best. I got that summertime, summertime sadness. That's that summertime, summertime sadness. Got that summertime, summertime sadness. Think I'll miss you forever, like the stars miss the sun in the morning sky. Wait is better than never. Even if you're gone, I'm gonna try. I got that summertime, summertime sadness. Summertime, summertime sadness. Got that summertime, summertime sadness. Oh. Kiss me hard before you go. Summertime sadness.
Arsenal's defensive duo, William Saliba and Gabriel, are hailed as the Gunners' best partnership since the iconic Invincibles by Sol Campbell. This season, they've played a crucial role in Arsenal boasting the league's best defensive record, conceding just 14 goals in 15 games, placing them on par with Liverpool. Campbell acknowledges the prowess of Saliba and Gabriel, claiming they've arrived at Arsenal at the perfect time. He emphasizes the strength and confidence exhibited by the defensive pair, highlighting their potential for long-term success. Campbell identifies a potential stumbling block in the David Raya, Aaron Ramsdale goalkeeping situation. He underscores the importance of stability in the goalkeeper position, especially during tense moments, emphasizing that uncertainty in this area could introduce doubt and impact defensive performance at the elite level. Despite the goalkeeping concern, Arsenal, under Mikel Arteta, holds a 2-point lead at the league summit, with a 6-point gap over last season's champions, Manchester City. Campbell recognizes the team's experience and resilience, but cautions that the goalkeeper situation needs addressing to avoid potential setbacks in the title race. In reflecting on his partnership with Kolo Toure during the Invincibles season, Campbell draws parallels to the current defensive strength at Arsenal. The Arsenal legend's insights shed light on both the team's current success and the challenges they may face as they aim for Premier League glory.
financial rules in the Premier League have sparked debate once again after Everton became the first team to breach the new profit and sustainability rules. Following a review by an independent commission, Everton were charged with breaching the rules and were sent to a panel in March. After a hearing in October, the decision was made in mid-November to deduct 10 points from Everton for the alleged breaches. This unprecedented punishment in English football could set the standard for future breaches. Manchester City, who deny 115 charges, faced a 5-year investigation from 2009 to 2018, raising questions about potential punishments if proven. Chelsea is also under scrutiny following claims that former owner Roman Abramovich used offshore companies to pay for services. Although Chelsea hasn't been charged yet, the possibility of another investigation raises confusion about profit and sustainability rules. Previously known as Financial Fair Play or FFP, these rules have brought up plenty of questions and confusion.
The coolest station online.
Yeah, that's us.
'Cause we play
This